Everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Today we're doing something a little bit different. Not gonna be barbecuing or nothing like that. I got my propane burner set up outside. I'm actually gonna ball some shrimp, and we're gonna throw the corn and potatoes and cauliflowers in there. And what I'm gonna be using is the Zatarain's liquid shrimp and crab ball. Good stuff, y'all, and just regular old table salt. Y'all hang loose, I'll show y'all what we're working with. So we have some huge Gulf shrimp, and that's at least 5 pounds. I mean, these things, look at my hand, y'all. I got a big hand, but that's a big shrimp. So we got that. We got some corn, cauliflower, kielbasa, and we got some red bowling potatoes right there. So it's just me and Miss Cary. If we're having the leftovers, we'll sure share with the family tomorrow. But let me get out here, get this outside, get set up, and I'll meet y'all over there by the burner. We got the burner lit. Pot is 3/4 full of water. After it comes to a little ball, we're going to put our crab ball and our salt in there. And of course, you know, it would be windy today. Like, probably 15, 20 mile an hour winds, but it is what it is. All right, we got a good rolling ball. So we're going to add our crab ball and our salt. Zatarain's crab and shrimp ball. We got about 3/4 of a bottle. I'm gonna probably put half of that. Go to about right here. Close enough, y'all. All right. Regular old table salt, iodized salt. That's a bunch of water. Potatoes love salt, so we're gonna try this right here. Stir that up a little bit. Drop our taters in there. Trim this back just a hair. Throw a lid on there. We'll be back. All right, y'all, 10 minutes in. Well, we got a good rolling ball. I just checked the potatoes. They getting tender. We're gonna take and throw this kielbasa in here. Shrimp are going last because they don't take long to cook. Here go the kielbasa. Oh yeah. So we'll let this go. Probably about another probably 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll be back. Another 10 minutes. Let's see what we're looking like. Yeah. Oh yeah. Gonna throw our cauliflower and corn in there. Let it go. Don't let it backsplash on it because that's hot. Throw the lid back on there, and we're going to come back about another 10 minutes. All right, still a good rolling ball. It's been about another 10 minutes. Let's see if we can fish this cauliflower out of here. Corn and all that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I figured the cauliflower fall apart, and it did, so no big deal. And we'll get some of this stuff out of here. We'll get the rest of this out of here. Then we'll throw our shrimps in. Okay, still a good rolling ball. It's time to throw the shrimp in there, y'all. Bunch of shrimp. We're gonna bring this back up to a rolling ball. And we're gonna shut it off. We're gonna let these soak for about 3 to 5 minutes. So y'all hang loose. We'll be right back. Alright gang, we're up to a rolling ball. We're gonna shut this off and let these soak for about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, so we'll be back. Alright y'all, everything's done. Shrimp sat out about 10-15 minutes, cooled off a little bit, so I'm gonna bring y'all down here and show y'all how I peel my shrimp. It might be wrong, might be right, who knows, but you know what? The main goal is to get them out the shell. Look at that. And get them in your belly. Peel the top ring, pinch that shell, or tail at the bottom. And I made a little bit of sauce right here. This is ketchup and Worcestershire sauce. Pretty good stuff, y'all. Y'all know the drill. Y'all come up here. We'll get a little bite of this here. Cheers to you. I love me some boiled shrimp. Soaked up that heat, a little bit of that salt. We'll put in our shrimp cocktail there. Little piece of kielbasa. Kielbasa's already a little salty. It did soak up some of that heat from the crab ball. We're gonna try it with a little bit of ketchup and Worcestershire sauce. Y'all, that's good. I'm gonna get my grub on, get all this cleaned up. See y'all next time. Bye bye.